While a standard refund will give money back to a guest, it doesn't necessarily put any items back into the inventory stock. So instead of doing a refund for some guests, you may need to do a return item. Return item not only will allow you to charge a negative dollar amount, meaning that you are taking money away from the business and giving it back to a guest, but it also allows you to return that item into inventory. This is really great for things like retail items such as maybe coffee mugs or t-shirts, hats, things of that nature. My return item button, once pressed, will ring in just a dummy item here that says zero price that says return item. There's two reasons that we're doing this. One, we want to start an active check. But the other thing is this allows you to have a quick item to search for if you're trying to look for return transactions for a business day. I can go over to my retail screen and let's just say that we're going to return one of our Focus coffee mugs here. So Focus cup. I'm going to ring in that item and you'll notice that it now rings it in at a negative dollar amount. The return item button must be hit for every single item that you're returning. So if I need to return another item, I'm going to hit return item again, go back to retail, and hit t-shirt. Once those items are listed in here as those negative price items, I can either tender this out to cash, or if I'm returning back to a credit card, I can swipe the credit card if the guest is in front of me. If for some reason they are not in front of me, I can always use my payment reapply buttons to search for the transaction. I can also use my existing credit card buttons here. And let's just say I'm returning this back to a Visa card. You'll notice the word account is underlined like a link. If I tap on that, myself as a cashier, I'm not able to reapply a payment, but if I get a manager approval here, I can go ahead and authorize that to go back through. And then I'm going to return those items to this credit card here, hit OK, and this works a lot like the refund functionality as well. You'll see now a negative dollar amount will be put to the card, meaning that I'm not charging it, I'm giving it money back. Once I hit OK, this is just popping up a warning because I did purchase these items earlier, so it's saying that card was already used today. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes to confirm it, and now it's approved and done. It will print out a receipt just like it would normally for a regular transaction. If you don't have your system set to automatically print receipts, you can always print one here. And this will show up in reporting as a negative transaction, both for sales as well as for inventory.